The fuck? You just jump that red light? Oh yeah, by the way, people are stupid, by the way. I'm sorry, but people on average are pretty dumb. Sorry to say that, but it's just the truth. Been alive long enough to know that. People are, by and large, not particularly bright. Some guy ran a red light right behind me. I don't know what he's in a hurry of, where he's hurrying to get to, but yep. Anyway. The aftermath of 2026 winter storm. Apparently it's been the worst we've had. I guess even worse than 1978, or we broke the record for the snowfall for a 24-hour period, even in for 1978, so pretty impressive stuff to tell your grandkids about. All right.